Oh! Oh God! Oh my God! Did you stab yourself in the face? Oh! Oh! That was rough. That was rough. But delicious. Peter, go away. Jumpers, huh? Just good. Here's your daddy. Here's your daddy.
Hi.
Let go. Let go so I can give you some more. You know what? Alright.
Wait, I think we should probably get a bib.
That's probably a good idea.